Okay, go ahead. Wow. Awesome. Can you do it again?
Yeah. This is crooked.
You're getting better and better. What about that other one, the fancy one that you did? Okay, what about the one that you did like this?
Slow or fast?
Do it slow. Okay, now do it fast.
Pinky might be scared.
Pinky might be scared. Yeah, he might be. Nope, not scared. Just lazy. Okay, one last one.
Ooh, I know one.
Okay.
After you out. So first, sit down here. Hula hoop like this. Like it.
Oh, hula hoop jump rope. Nice. Way to go.